Fear. One of the reasons we don't experience things in life is because of fear. Fear is a small four-letter word which has a giant impact on our lives and the choices we make.
बस डरना नहीं है, जो डरा नहीं वो गया.
Rafting can be adventurous to some and frightening to others. When we say Zanskar river rafting, the fear multifolds. Zanskar rafting is highest in the world and second toughest in India. I know because I have been there. And honestly, each time we approach a rapid on a trip, my heart starts beating faster and faster. At the start point, we were informed that the current at Zanskar are all-time high and would be adventurous and daring act. Some were excited and we were scared. We started this expedition with a hint of hesitation. Soon, the rapid currents navigated us through the gorgeous barren mountains, and the hue of mountains changed as sunrays touched them gently. The surreal landscape, comprising of beautiful mountains, ancient canyons, sapphire blue sky, made it more amazing sight. We got immersed in the beauty of nature, which made us forget the fear. The fear quickly turns into thrill and excitement. Adventures can be scary. Going out into a new territory is scary. Pushing your comfort zones is scary. If you don't push yourself, you aren't going to grow. If you feel uncomfortable, that means you are growing.
धरती पे अगर कहीं स्वर्ग है तो यहाँ है, यही है.
Lastly, the point of maximum danger is the point of minimum fear. Will Smith.